Hello everyone, welcome back to Virtual Lab Infra. My name is Uttam Kumar and I have come up with Windows Server, a complete Windows Server journey using VMware workstations. In this brand new series, we are starting a complete Windows Server journey using VMware workstation. If you want to learn Windows Server from a scratch to advanced level, this series is for you. So we will begin by building our own virtual lab environment, installing Windows Server, and understanding the core infrastructure services used in real organizations. So, step by step, we will cover everything, including Windows Server installation and configurations, Active Directory domain services, OU creations and management. We'll discuss DNS and DHCP. We'll discuss about group policy management. We'll apply certain policies, common policies. And then we'll have file and storage services enabled in our servers, and we'll see how the share works, how exactly the end user access the share paths and utilize for their works. We'll also discuss about WSUS. We will discuss about Windows Server administration, like how to give server access, how to build server, how the server lifecycle happens, like from server building to decommissioning the servers, as we do in real time environments. Once we build these servers, we will move into automation where you will learn how to manage and Windows Server using PowerShell and automation techniques used by system administrators. And most importantly, we will also focus on real world troubleshooting scenarios, because knowing how to fix issues is what makes a true IT professional, right? So by the end of this series, you will not only understand Windows Server, you will also confident in deploying automation and troubleshooting enterprise environments. So if you want a strong skills in Windows Server or administration, make sure you subscribe this Lab Infra, virtual Lab Infra channel, and follow this complete hands-on journey. Hope hope we will meet you in a second video or the second session with lab setup, and we'll discuss what exactly lab setup we have and what are the prerequisites, so that we can, without any issue, we can start building our lab environment. I will also let you know what are the setup files or image we required, server image or client OS required for this lab, and what is the configuration, minimum configuration we needed to complete this complete training. So for now, have a great day. We'll meet you in next video. Thanks. Bye bye.